Hello, and welcome back to Broerman Farmstead. We're gonna have a neat little video for you today. I've been trying for weeks now to get my alfalfa hay started, but unfortunately, it's been wet. Very wet. Now, we haven't gotten any torrential downpours or any kind of massive amounts of rains where we've had massive flooding in the area by any means, or flooding at all. But what we have had is a shot of rain about every 2 to 3 days or almost every night, which has kept me out of the fields. It's going on the second week of May, and it doesn't look like the rain's going to be slowing down anytime soon. So I've got a buddy coming out here. His name is Andy, and he started a drone service quite a few years back, and he's actually probably one of the leading agricultural drone application companies in our area. So he's going to come out here with one of his drones that can spread seed, so cover crop seed in the fall and those kinds of things. And he's going to fly on my alfalfa and my hay pasture mix on all these hay fields we're trying to start. And then if the conditions do get dry enough within the next couple weeks, I figured I'd at least take the collie packer back across it and try to push the seeds in the ground. This is not the route I was hoping to take. I was hoping to be able to drill this stuff in, but we're losing time here and none of this ground has been drying out. One of my fields actually does have a little bit of standing water in some of the corners, so I do understand that the alfalfa seed and hay seed probably won't grow in those corners, and I'll have to deal with that later on. As for the rest of this ground, it hasn't been fit, but it is dry enough to at least try to get this flown on. So come along, we got some interesting stuff to show you today. How much of that do you want me to put in the hopper?
Probably all that.
Okay.
Maybe.
Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back at a safe distance. Take off.
That lid flop open scares me every time.
Yeah.
Back at a safe distance. Aircraft on ground. Point recorded. Task
It's freaking chilly out.
It is this morning. So Andy, how long have you been doing these drones now?
Since 2021.
And when you started, you had how many? Was it 2 or 3?
Just 2.
And now you're up to how many?
Like 8, I think.
8?
Yep.
And when you're spraying corn, you're doing what? 3 crews out there?
I got 3 crews out, and last year I had 4, but this year I'm going down to 3 and just getting some bigger drones and hopefully getting across some more acres with less guys.
Maybe a little bit more efficient?
Yep. Less to manage.
Understand. So roughly how many acres you think you got on the book so far for this year?
It's always kind of hard to tell because people are adding stuff, and I mean, typically I get around 40 to 50,000. I still have all my same co-ops, so I'd imagine it'd be somewhere around there, if not a little more.
That's some pretty significant acreage you're covering.
RTH.
Yeah, it's a lot more than I ever thought it was going to be. That's for sure.
Aircraft on
Grab
ground.
like 20 more pounds.
Okay.
And hit this side.
Keep away.
Andy had just enough battery to finish this 1.96 acres. Here we're going to head up to the next place. It's going to be quite a bit more acreage. It's that property with all the tree lines and creek through there. That's been awfully wet. This stuff might have been dry enough to get across with a tractor, but I'm already going to have him come out here and do it. I have him do this too. But that next spot we're going to go, you're going to see it's got standing water and it's very wet. Broerman, you going to stay and help today, bud?
I'm gonna take off.
Very soon, Harper. We got a minute, and then we're going to have to mix up. We'll have to mix up some more seed, okay? Can you help me mix up seed? Yeah? Okay. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Want to take off. Whoa. That's crazy. That's crazy. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It was something pretty different, getting to watch this ag drone spread our hayseed over our fields. I do want to extend a special thanks to my friend Andy and his company A&M Ag Drone Services for coming out today, spreading the seed in my time of need. The field conditions weren't conducive. As you guys could see in this video, there's quite a few nasty wet spots in these fields, and Andy pulled through. Hopefully we have a decent stand from all this hay that we're broadcasting on top of this field. If any of you guys are interested in any of the services that Andy provides with his drones, you can check out his website at amagridrones.com. I'll leave a link to his website down in the description below if you guys want to check that out. But that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We can do a lot here, but we can't grow this channel without your help. Thank you, and have a good day.